This setup is for diamond ore and alluvial diamond process. The size range of the materials is 0 to 300 mm, main machines as below. Hopper plus vibrating feeder. With grizzly bar, jaw crusher, trommel scrubber, number 1 vibration screen, hopper plus vibrating feeder, belt conveyor, cone crusher, belt conveyor, number 2 vibration screen, hopper plus vibrating feeder, number 1 dewatering screen, jig separator, number 2 dewatering screen. The hopper plus vibration feeder. With grizzly bar. For sieving the size 0 to 130 mm to the trommel scrubber, 130 to 300 mm to the jaw crusher, then to the trommel scrubber. The 0 to 130 mm output from the jaw crusher will share one belt conveyor. You only need to load the materials to the hopper by truck or excavator or else as you want. The jaw crusher is for crushing the diamond ore 130 to 300 mm, then to the trommel scrubber. The trommel scrubber is for washing the size 0 to 130 mm, screen the size 0 to 50 mm to the number 1 vibration screen, 50 to 130 mm will to the hopper plus vibrating feeder. The vibration screen is for screening the size 0 to 25 mm to the jig separator, 25–50 mm to the cone crusher. The cone crusher is for crushing the size 25 to 50 mm. The number 2 vibration screen will make sure the output size to 0 to 25 mm, then to the jig separator. The number 1 dewatering screen is for dewatering the materials from the 2 vibration screens, then to the jig separator. The jig separator is for concentrating the diamond. The number 2 dewatering screen is for dewatering the products from the jig separator. The capacity for these plants can be customized as per request, such as 10 TPH, 50 TPH, 100 TPH, etc. Notes: if the materials are not much sticky, you replace the trommel scrubber with another screen, and the quantity of the machines, just for your reference, will depend on your capacity.